Chapter 8: Artificial Intelligence. To know in this chapter, definition and examples of artificial intelligence, advantages of artificial intelligence, disadvantages of artificial intelligence. What is the difference between animals and humans? Intelligence. Yes, intelligence is the X factor that differentiates us from the rest of the creatures and things in the world. Now imagine if somehow we could impart this intelligence to machines that we use in our daily life. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Cars would drive themselves automatically. The internet and TV will automatically show us what we like. The lights and appliances in our homes would automatically turn off after we sleep. Google Maps will automatically scan the traffic along busy routes and give us alternate traffic-free routes to reach our destination. This is artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence is a complex branch of study involving computer science, data science, biology, psychology, linguistics, mathematics, and engineering. Its goal to develop intelligent machines, computers, or software that would be able to assist us automatically. Thought behind artificial intelligence. The idea behind developing artificial intelligence machines is to make the lives of people easier. With the rising influence of IT in every field, computers are used in almost every field these days. This ever-increasing dependence on computers gave humans an idea: can we develop smart machines that don't require human assistance? This idea gave birth to artificial intelligence. The term artificial intelligence was first used by American computer scientist John McCarthy at the Dartmouth Conference in 1956. But its applications in real world have become more noticeable since the time smartphones came into our hands. A lot of things that smartphones do has artificial intelligence working in the background. With the help of artificial intelligence, apps like YouTube study preferences based on the user data and give personalized feeds and content relevant to the user. Advantages of artificial intelligence. Disadvantages of artificial intelligence. A greater degree of accuracy can be expected from artificial intelligence machines as there is no space for human errors. They also don't require any rest or break and can work every time. With lack of moral and emotional values, the artificial intelligence machines cannot differentiate between right and wrong. They are merely programmed to follow orders. On behalf of humans, artificial intelligence machines can be employed in high danger areas and rescue operations like deep sea mining, rescue operations, space exploration, etc. They can be used as human substitutes in these situations. Artificial intelligence machines don't possess creative intelligence like humans and cannot think out of the box. This means that they cannot think outside of whatever algorithm or programming is stored in their internal circuits. Artificial intelligence machines are best suited for boring regular monkey jobs, which are routine, monotonous, and tedious. Tasks like front desk reception, call center operative, drones-based home delivery, etc. are best suited for these machines. The increasing use of artificial intelligence machines can lead to mass unemployment and job security issues. With machines working more efficiently than humans, who will employ humans? Revise with TUK. Artificial intelligence is a complex branch of study involving computer science, data science, biology, psychology, linguistics, mathematics, and engineering. The goal of artificial intelligence is to develop intelligent machines, computers, or software that would be able to assist humans automatically. The term artificial intelligence was first used by American computer scientist John McCarthy at the Dartmouth Conference in 1956. A greater degree of accuracy can be expected from artificial intelligence machines as there is no space for human errors. Artificial intelligence machines don't possess creative intelligence like humans and cannot think out of the box. Artificial intelligence machines are best suited for boring regular monkey jobs which are routine, monotonous, and tedious. Additional information. New World Citizen. Sophia is the world's first humanoid robot resembling a human to be given full-fledged citizenship of a country. In 2017, she was awarded the citizenship of Saudi Arabia. Designed by Hanson Robotics Hong Kong, Sophia has been developed to allow her to hold eye contact, recognize faces, and understand human speech. India welcomed Sophia in February 2020 for the event Meet and Greet First Robot Citizen Sophia. She stole everyone's heart by wearing a red and white traditional Bengali sari. It was her second time in India. Earlier, she had come to IIT Bombay in December 2017. When asked about citizenship, she replied that she had come in a suitcase from her home, which is a lab in Hong Kong, and as a result of which she did not require a passport.